Hi you guys, this is She Has to Be Chic Boutique back again with another 5-minute video. I'm presenting today useful facts that you can use in order to start your very own business. Let's get started. Episode 2, What's in a Name? Tips to help you create your very own business. Are you nervous? How about completely confused? What about excited and jumping for joy? Those are all emotions that are normal to have. And I bet you're thinking, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, where do I start? Well, guess what? We're going to talk about it. A very great tip in order to keep in mind when starting your very own business is the following. There was a really great article by A Better Lemonade Stand. And on the article, it gives wonderful tips that you can use in order to start your very own business. But something that I found very profound on the website is the above statement. Know that a great business name won't totally make or break your business, but it can make an impact, so you want to make sure it's a positive one. Let's get into it. On the website, there's 5 types of names: obvious, name-based, acronym, trendy, and unrelated. Obvious names are names that stand out. Name-based names are names like Disney World, names that are named after a person. An acronym means shorthand for a word. Unrelated means it doesn't necessarily apply to your business. For instance, if you have a jewelry business and you call it The Shack, that will be unrelated. Trendy means a name that's on trend and current. Once you've figured out what type of name you want to use, next, do a Google search to see if the name of your new business is already taken. A really great place in order to search to see if your name is already taken is on Shopify. Shopify has a place on their site called Business Name Generator. Click Find a Business Name as shown on the screen. And then what you're going to do next, and then enter the name of the business that you would like. So for instance, I'm putting my business, She Has to Be Chic. Click Generate Name and see all of the names that exist that are close to your name, or if your name is even taken at all. There's a lot that include She Has to Be Chic Boutique, but they don't necessarily apply to my business. They might have an additional word or it's missing a word. And then after that, make sure you get your name trademarked in your state, the state that you live in. For instance, my name, She Has to Be Chic Boutique, is actually trademarked. So that means if someone uses my name, it would be against the law. So make sure you do that. I'm sure by now you've had an epiphany. The name that you want for your business has just popped into your head. And I bet you're wondering, oh my God, what do I do next? But guess what? In the next video of our 5-minute series, we're going to talk about how you can trademark your name. So stay tuned for the next video. If you made it this far in the video, you have officially made it toward the end. And you know what that means. It is time to celebrate. And you know where we're going to celebrate at? In the comments section. If there's anything you want me to talk about next, or if you have any questions about how to start your business or how to come up with your name or capitalize on your passion, write a question for me in the comment section and I'll respond to you. If you're in the market for trendy jewelry and accessories, feel free to shop my website for She Has to Be Chic Boutique. I put the link below in the description box. And as always, like, share, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Hey, you there. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe.